Build your next DEF pump kit quickly and easily with Senergy's new DEF Pump Kit Builder. Now the same products you have come to appreciate and expect from Senergy equipment are available to order with greater kit configuration flexibility. Order what you want, how you want, when you want, and avoid any potential wait for unknown back-ordered items. Simply choose your kit configuration for products with the best availability, add to cart, and wait for your custom product to arrive on time. Here's what it looks like. First, go up to the DEF Equipment menu and go down to DEF Pump Kit Builder. Next, choose your tank type. Then, choose your pump type. We have Apex Professional and Apex Premium pumps. The professional pumps come with a 2-year warranty and the premium pumps come with a 3-year warranty. Next, choose your dispense coupler, then your nozzle, then your meter, then add to cart. To check what's in your cart, scroll down to the bottom and click the View Cart link. All the products shown on the left side are now in your cart and ready to purchase. Try it now at senergyequipment.com.